The NGO called Lake Health and Wellbeing, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, launched its campaign against the overconsumption of sugary drinks on St. Kitts and Nevis. The 22nd March launch campaign is entitled You're Sweet Enough and is aimed at increasing the awareness that sugary drinks and foods are contributing factors to the high prevalence of obesity, diabetes, and other non-communicable diseases in the Federation. According to Ms. Isaline Phillip, the group's advocacy and research officer, it is essential that the issue attain greater public awareness and action.
In St. Kitts and Nevis, we know that non-communicable diseases are the leading cause of death among people in the Federation. In fact, according to national health data, non-communicable diseases account or contribute to 83% of deaths in St. Kitts and Nevis. While this is really alarming, it's actually not too surprising since we also see increasing rates of overweight and obesity in adults and children. The obesity rate for adults in St. Kitts and Nevis is 45%, which means that every 1 in 2 adults across the Federation is considered obese. Childhood obesity is also on the rise, with 1 in 3 children being either overweight or obese. So in light of these statistics, as a public health NGO, Lake Health and Wellbeing, we are committed to improving the health and well-being of our communities, and in so doing, we are happy to work along with the government in collaboration with the Ministry of Health to combat these health challenges. So today, we are extremely excited to launch the You're Sweet Enough campaign, which is developed to mobilize the public to make healthy choices and drink water instead of sugary drinks.
NCD coordinator with the Ministry of Health, Dr. Marisa Carty, pointed out that studies in the Federation show excessive consumption of sugary drinks in all age groups, and as a consequence, a substantial impact on the prevalence of non-communicable diseases.
The availability of healthy and safe foods is important to human health. However, studies have shown that the addition of unnecessary sugars in food items have contributed to adverse health conditions, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and poor oral health. Consequently, there has been increasing concern for the added sugars found in sugar-sweetened beverages. A narrative review of the effects of sugar-sweetened beverages on human health, submitted to the Journal of Population Therapeutics and Clinical Pharmacology, found compelling evidence to support the fact that regular consumption of SSBs has a significant adverse impact on people's health.
The NGO Health and Wellness wants people to think before you drink, to avoid sugary drinks and take water instead that is beneficial to the human body. Glenn Barth, SKN Newsline.